You have to submit the wireframe and the sitemap.
Okay, and how to design that? That's what I'm asking.
That I have shown you. For wireframes, you can go on the you can create it on either on a piece of paper, or you can create it on an Excel sheet where you define what element you want and where, like, you want a website logo on top left and side, you want a sign up form on top and right, in the center you want search elements. So you will place all these elements in the form of boxes that make the wireframe of the page. And in sitemap, you have to just list all the pages. Okay,
Okay.
like Aditya has placed it, that you want a home page, then you want a quick page, main page, some product, about us page, then home loan page, other product pages and different type of forms. Okay, bank pages, different calculator pages. So a list of all the pages you want in your website.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And don't get disheartened that I'm not telling you how to make a website. Okay, I'm taking 15, 20 minutes of yours. This is out of the course content, I'm telling you. But those who are interested can pursue it further. I'm giving you a direction to it. Okay. So whenever you are building a website, primarily three things you require. First is the domain name. I believe everyone knows what is domain name. If you don't know, if you can somebody express what is a domain name according to them?
So your voice is
Anyone would
breaking.
like to tell?
Your
Yeah,
voice is
Aditya,
breaking.
go ahead.
So your voice is breaking in between.
Is it better now?
Yes, sir. But sometimes it do break and we don't listen what you are saying.
Oh, sure.
Voice, I
Uh,
think voice is very clear. Aditya, you just check your connection also, because I don't see any breakage from my side.
Yeah,
Oh,
same here. It's very clear.
so maybe my connection is low.
okay, let's try to identify even how many of you are getting my voice break. Press one if it is breaking. Press two if it is not. Sudhanshu says no. Tanya says yes. Ranjana says no. Vishwajit says yes. Chaitanya, Raidu. Uh, who is Belgium? Please change your name. I can identify. Okay. So a lot of people are saying it's not breaking, then means if 7, 8 people are saying not breaking, means it is not breaking. Maybe an internet issue at your end. You can go and check the recording of previous day also. Okay, that will help you to understand whether my voice was breaking or not. I will check it also at the recordings as well. Okay. So anyone would like to explain what is domain name is?
Domain name is the primary website address, like Flipkart.com or maybe Amazon.com.
Yeah,
It's a
very
brand name. It's a brand name of the company.
yeah, very correct. Domain name is by which name people can open your website, like henryharvin.com. So henryharvin.com is a website. Sorry, is a domain name. Henry Harvin is a brand name. When you add an extension to it, .com, .in, .org, .edu, now people have .website. Lot of extensions are there. So when you add along with the brand name any extension to it, then it becomes a domain. Okay, domain is brand name plus extension. Second thing you should know is hosting. Okay, what is hosting? Hosting is primarily a rental space you take on web servers where you will place all the content of your website. Like if I open any website you can open, like you see there is a image coming in the background, there is some logo placed, there is some text coming, there is some coding in the background, these images are loading, these every single thing is saved somewhere. So that place where these information is saved You can't own that because it requires a lot of money to own that web space. Okay, so what you do is you rent those web servers to you. Okay, when you rent it, it will be cheaper for you, and at the same time, it is faster for you as well. And you don't have to pay a huge maintenance cost for it. So hosting is primarily saving your data or buying a web space or renting a web space for a specific period of time. When you say you are getting hosting, you want to get hosting means you're renting a space. Let's say you want 10 GB of space on GoDaddy web servers in India or abroad, wherever, depends on the hosting provider. Okay, hosting is nothing just the web space renting process, and that web space you can use to save data where you can build your website and save the data over there. So whenever somebody opened it, so that request goes to that web server and it sends the data to all your users. This is what web hosting is. Is it clear to everyone? It would be great if everyone type into the chat box. Yeah, great.